Alright, it is day 5, our last day of our Heggerty lesson. Alright, I want you to give me a thumbs up if these two words rhyme. Ready? Print, prize. Print, prize. Nope, they don't rhyme. They sound different at the end. What about crawl, cry? Crawl, cry. Do those sound the same at the end? Do they rhyme? Nope, they sound different. What about frail, trail? Frail, trail. Good, yes, they sound the same. They do rhyme. What about trap, crop? Trap, crop. Nope, they sound different. Last one, truck, stuck. Truck, stuck. Good, yes, they do rhyme. All right, now I want you to tell me which word has a different blend at the beginning. Which word does not go with the other two? Ready? Clumsy, travel, tractor. Clumsy, travel, tractor. Good. Clumsy does not have the same beginning blend. All right. Fraction, pretzel, Friday. Fraction, pretzel, Friday. Which two are the same? Then which one should not be included? Good. Pretzel has a pr instead of fr blend. All right. Skeleton, snapshot, snowfall. Skeleton, snapshot, snowfall. Which one is different? Good. Skeleton has sk instead of sn. All right. Cricket, brittle, crystal. Cricket, brittle, crystal. Good. Brittle starts with brr, and crystal and cricket start with cr. Last one. Spaghetti, spaceship, scamper. Spaghetti, spaceship, scamper. Good. Scamper starts with sk instead of sp. All right. We're going to tap all the phonemes or the sounds, and then we're going to blend the word. Ready? G, l, a, z, glaze. B, l, o, blow. F, l, a, m, flame. P, l, a, play. S, l, e, v, sleeve. S, p, oo, proof. B, I, brim. K, I, d, cried. B, I, t, bright. F, e, z, freeze. All right, now I want you to tell me which sound these three words have in the middle, the medial sound. Ready? Gruff, drum, trunk. Gruff, drum, trunk. Good, they all have the short U sound. What about stamp, clash, glance? Stamp, clash, glance. Good, they have our short A sound that says ah. All right, slime, style, prize. Slime, style, prize. What sound do you hear in the middle of those words? Good, our long I that says I. What about clomp, drop, stalk? Clomp, drop, stalk. Good, they all have our short O that says ah. All right, crate, brave, sprang. Crate, brave, sprang. Good, they all have our long A that says A. A few more. Freeze, creep, steam. Freeze, creep, steam. Good, they have our long E that says his name. It says E. Bread, stem, spread. Bread, stem, spread. Good, it has our short E that says eh. Last one. Froze, groan, drone. Froze, groan, drone. Good, they have our long O that says O. Now we're going to say the word, and then we're going to break it into the pieces or the sounds that we hear. Ready? Say braid. Tap it. B-r-a-d. Braid. Praise. P-r-a-s. Praise. Grace. G-r-a-s. Grace. Crate. K-r-a-t. Crate. Bronze. B-r-o-n-z. Bronze. Fries. F-r-i-z. Fries. Groans. G-r-o-n-z. Groans. Prizes. P-r-i-z-e-z. Prizes. That one had a lot of sounds. I ran out of fingers. Next one, group. G-r-u-p. Group. Last one, brainy. B-r-a-n-e. Brainy. All right, say raid. Add b. Braid. Say rash. Add k. Crash. Say rune. Add p. Prune. Say rees. Add f. Freeze. Say retzel. Add p. Pretzel. Say rowl. Add g. Growl. Last one. Say right. Add f. Fright. Good. Now we're going to take the piece away. Remember, in a blend, we only take that first sound away, and we leave the second sound. Ready? Sleep. Say sleep, but don't say sleep. Say flute. Say flute, but don't say lute. Say clean. Say clean, but don't say lean. Say play. Say play, but don't say lay. Say flight. Say flight, but don't say light. Say slime. Say slime, but don't say lime. Say globe. Say globe, but don't say lobe. Say block. Say block, but don't say lock. Say glade. Say glade, but don't say laid. Say bleed. Say bleed, but don't say bleed. Great job. This time we're going to change the beginning blend. So we're going to take the first two sounds and change them. Ready? Say fridge. Say fridge, but change fur to brr. Bridge. Say slip. Change sl to tr. Trip. Say stay. Say stay, but change st to gr. Gray. Say slick. Change sl to brr. Brick. Say crash. Change cr to tr. Trash. Say press. Change pr to dr. Dress. Say fryer. Change fr to dr. Dryer. Say speckles. Change sp to fr. Freckles. Say clean. Change cl to gr. Green. Last one. Say stale. Change st to tr. Trail. And that's it, friends. All done with Heggerty for this story.